Hi, this is Prashant. The topic is Raman amplifiers in optical fiber communication. In this, we can see the Raman amplifiers, how they are used in optical fiber communication systems. Raman amplifier. For optical amplification, we need simulated Raman scattering. The frequency differences between FP and FF has to match a relationship in order to fully use of this nonlinear effect. If the intensity of the incident field is below a threshold, spontaneous scattering occurs. There are two figures in this block, in this page. One is spontaneous scattering and stimulated scattering. In spontaneous, the message is the optical electrons are pumping through a medium and it dividing in different Stokes waves. In stimulated scattering, the signal is pumping through the medium and the Stokes waves are go straight through the pumps. This is the Raman basic diagram. In this first it has a signal and inbuilt it has pumping, that is called Raman pumping, and below that it is a visual state simulated Raman scattering. These are the schematics of Raman gain spectrum, resulting gain profile, that is P1, P2, P3, P4. The vertical block is gain in dB and horizontal block is wavelength in Nm. That means multiple pump gain sensitivity characteristics. This is the above one is Raman gain spectra. This distribution Raman amplification typically used as pre-amplifier to an inline or pre-amplified EDFA. EDFA means Erbidium diode field effect amplifier. It consists of elements on both sides and EDFA on middle, and its fiber rotations, and in the middle it has Raman pump. Below is the gain or on off, G suffix R on off with Raman. For design or implementation constraints of Raman amplifier, there are gain, pump power threshold and its limitations, pumping schemas and Raman amplifier, broadbanding of Raman amplifier, impact of Raman scattering on WDM system. Raman amplifier with bidirectional pumping. In bidirectional, it is using forward pumping unit and backward pumping unit. The signal is entering through the input and leaving out the output. The middle circles are the fibers. In forward pumping, it goes through the fiber cables, and the reverse pumping also it goes through the fiber cables. Stimulated Raman scattering. Non-linear scattering observed at high optical power densities in a long single mode fibers provide optical gain with frequency shift, useful for optical amplification. Modulate light technology, thermal molecular vibration with the fiber. Scatter light appears as upper and lower sideband separated from incident light by the modulation frequency. Simulated Raman scattering. High frequency optical phonon generated in the scattering process, bidirectional forward and backward directions. Threshold optical power for SRS is equals to P suffix R equals to 5.9 into 10 to the power of minus 2 D square lambda alpha dB watts. D is fiber core diameter, lambda is operating wavelength, alpha dB is fiber attenuation in dB kilometers. Raman gain is G suffix R is exponential of GR, capital G suffix R, capital P suffix rho, capital L EFF efficiency by A efficiency of K that equals to in A EFF equals to pi I square EFF, L EFF equals to 1 minus exponential of minus alpha P L by alpha P. GR is power Raman gain coefficient, AEFF and LEFF effective core cross sectional areas and length. K is a numerical factor that accounts for polarization scambling between optical pump and signal. REF effective core radius, alpha P fiber, transmission lost at pumps wavelength, L actually fiber length, P suffix P is power pump. Raman gain. This is the Raman gain schematic characteristics. In vertical, Raman gain in dB and horizontal fiber length in kilometers. Length is taken as 0.1 to 1, 10, 100 and 1000. In vertical, gain is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It is traveling through the 0 point. The gain is increasing through the higher levels. In first one, 1.0 dB kilometers minus 1, 0.5 dB kilometers minus 1, 0.3 dB kilometers minus 1. In final stage, alpha B equals to 0.2 dB kilometers minus 1. And applications of Raman amplifier: long distance signal span links, undersea links between island, remote coastal locations, oil rigs, etc. Locations separated by mountain ranges or deserts, where commercial, legal, or security constraints render amplification sites impractical. Long spans within multi-span links, one or more spans longer than others. Hut skipping, spans made intentionally longer. Skip repeaters to reduce capital and operating expenditure. High capacity long distance systems, optical amplifiers and waveguides in general. This is the overall concept of Raman amplifier. Hoping all you enjoyed this. Thank you.